Meaning of gear lever.
Gear lever.
Gear lever.
Gear lever.
Gear lever. A gear lever, also known as a gear shift or gear stick, is a mechanism used in vehicles to manually change gears. It usually consists of a long, vertical lever with different positions for each gear. The driver shifts the gear lever to engage a specific gear, which changes the speed and torque of the vehicle's engine. Gear levers are found in manual transmission vehicles, while automatic transmission vehicles typically have a shift lever or buttons that perform similar functions. Proper use of the gear lever is important for safe and efficient driving.